Hello guys, let's talk about something really important. Why do I lose when using good strategy? That's the topic of this video. It's more of my psychological training session than finding mistake and learning how to stop repeating them, and a break into the down and key point and what drive right in. Before I start, quick reminder, we don't have a Pocket Shop account, the broker you use in Telegram channel. The sign up link in this video description, register there and we'll also get access to the big group, where more signals and update and share them. So let's get started. The first thing to know, the strategy executes itself, right? Why? Because ultimately you are the one who makes decisions, and that depends on manufacturer. Let's say that I'm trying to use a ZigZag indicator, and we are going to add another one, super trade, right? That could be the type of inventory. Let's suppose just an example, all right? I will go short when the sell appears and long one and the buy appears. Simple. That would be my strategy. The key here is the ZigZag. For this strategy example, it would give me this structure. Okay. Let's assume that is straightforward, right? But why I'm losing? Well, first we can consider that if we apply this strategy correctly, it could well that profit. Yes, that makes sense. And if I use it wrong way or incorrectly, I could lose. Maybe that's not how to use that type of strategy, but let's assume, let's say I also add another shortcut indicator for that example, and I will sell every time it rises up to this point, but maybe that is enough of filter for the strategy to work. All right, so that's it. Is that I've mentioned in many videos. Remember that strategy has for around 70–80% accuracy, because sometimes indicators, the strategy is very good. It can give me the false signals, the fake situation. It's always depends on the market and on the candle closes. Suppose I enter by here on this candle, but the price is too high. That could cause me to lose that position of the reason of the corrections. All right. And maybe the strategy setup should be adjusted to ensure that entry is confirmed here, so I can profit without issues. But that's another matter, right? Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Now, let's also discuss something important. Sometimes, even with a solid strategy, I might lose to my work schedule. If I'm trading the financial market up to know, let's see here is what is different between this OTC and open, OTC and cryptocurrencies, right? So financial doesn't specify anything. For financial markets, generally recommended to trade in the morning season. There's more volatility, higher volume, and so on, whereas the afternoon, it's tricky. It might lose because the price doesn't move and just stagnated, and then suddenly there are sharp movement. I can predict it. All right, that's very volatile. Based on the strategies for sideways, market to right, the price fluctuates up and down without a clear trend. By the time the indicators give me the entry signal, it's already too late. Okay, for example, it might signal long entry on that one is not good. I also trade all the time, meaning overtrade said too much, where when I said, okay, I have lost 2 or 3 position, I keep trading to try to recover that. I'm like the great clutter, I am losing everything. The recommended approach is to place 5 trades a day, and that's what I choose. That now is that third approach point we are had to cover the 2, right? Sometimes when just opening the markets mean the strategy might tell me right, but the market's context could be against me. For example, the indicator might say, no, this is going up. And I went along because it's confirmed to me, right? But if the trend is bearish, that could lead to a loss. But it's crucial that you stay focused on reading the market movements to always trade with the trend and take all entries in that direction. Obviously, when the first one fails because it's said here, you enter here because maybe the structure isn't changed yet. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Pay attention. But that's another matter on the trading shifting. So the core idea of all this is this entire explanation. Is that even good strategy immune to poor execution? I might say everything in line here, but maybe I just jump the gun because the movement got away from here, right? It's take off without me. You see the candle like this. So that covers most of the topic and can add in this video. It will happen even using solid strategy. So all the criteria on confirmation strategy requires then be patient. Not every trade will be the winner. Remember that. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a like, subscribe, and share it with friends, and might help them too. Greet me in the daily live sessions on the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Wish you good profit, good operations. I'm waiting for you. Bye bye.